In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Deriv demo account. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them. The first one is when you open your dashboard, you want to go to your home tab, and then in here it says try demo trading. So you can see here you have the MT5 standard, and you have this options option over here, which allows you to basically trade on their trading platform. Okay, so the easiest way is going to be to just click on trade next to these options over here, and it's going to take you to their trading platform where essentially you'll be able to then demo trade. Okay, so as you can see over here, there we go. This is my demo account. You have rise or fall over here, and then you have the buys or of course sells or whatever you want to call these. So that's the first way to do this. You can trade in here in their trading platform for options. If I go back over here, you could also use MT5. So for the first time you're doing this, you want to click on this trade button, and it's going to allow you to create a password for MT5. Now you can open the MT5 web terminal over here. If I click on that, it's going to basically give me like a bunch of things, and as you can see here, we have the login, which is going to get autofilled. So if I do details, it's this one over here, and the password, you have to set it for the first time you're creating your trading account. So I know mine, I just created this. I'm just going to type it in like this. There we go, and I'm going to click on connect to account. Now if the credentials are correct, as you can see, there we go, you'll be able to sign in to your demo account, and you can now trade from here using the new order button up top whenever you find your asset, and you can go and select if you want to be buying or selling. You have volumes, you have stop losses, take profits, and then you also have like these options over here, which are different order types. So that's the second way. And the third way, of course, to trade is using your desktop MT5 app. So it's going to be the same as over here. You want to use the same credentials. If you go to details here, you can find the broker, of course, login and server. So open up MT5. Then you want to go to File top left, and you want to click on Open an Account. In here, you want to type in Deriv and press Enter, and then you'll be able to see over here you have your, of course, like Deriv different brokers. So we have to find the one which was on there. So if I actually go back right now, as you can see, it was Deriv.com Limited. I'm going to move this over so I can see better. There we go. And then you have to search for that one. So in my case, it's over here. Click on it and click on Next. Then you have to do connect with an existing trade account. The login is going to be this thing over here, so the login ID, and the server is going to be, in my case, Deriv Demo. So I'm going to type that in, there we go, and then Deriv Demo, and the password is going to be the password you set for yourself while opening your account. Click on Finish, and there we go, you've signed into here, and now you can go and start trading by selecting your asset, right-clicking, and opening up the chart, and you can do new order up here. You could go and use this quick trader over here, or right-click and add a new order to a specific asset inside your market watch. So that's basically how to trade. That's how to demo trade on Deriv. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.